Welcome STEM students and teachers to our general biology class. Please don't forget to watch until the end of our video. What is oxygen? And what is the importance of oxygen in all living organisms? Oxygen is an important element in the atmosphere without which we cannot live. Even the cells in our body need oxygen to function properly. All the living beings inhale oxygen in their lungs for proper respiration. After that, our cells absorb this gas to distribute it evenly to other cells of the body. Most importantly, oxygen is also stored in our body for emergency use, so we can survive critical situations. Furthermore, we also need oxygen to produce energy, which helps in doing our tasks efficiently. For instance, through oxidation, our food and liquid get converted into energy. It is also beneficial in repairing our cells and maintaining our health. Plants also contribute to the release of oxygen into the atmosphere during the process of photosynthesis, which in turn is utilized by us for the process of respiration. Why does the atmospheric oxygen concentration declining? The atmospheric oxygen levels are slowly decreasing today due to human activities, which reduces oxygen production, and one of these are: Number 1. Deforestation. Clear cutting of forests for agriculture, urban development, or other human activities reduces the number of trees and plants that produce oxygen. Number 2. Burning of fossil fuels. This releases pollutants into the air, including carbon dioxide, which can contribute to climate change. This can lead to changes in weather patterns and temperature, which can inhibit the growth of plants and other organisms that produce oxygen. Number 3. Intensive agriculture. The use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides can affect the growth of plants and other organisms that produce oxygen. Additionally, monoculture farming practices can lead to a loss of biodiversity and a decline in oxygen-producing organisms. Number 4. Pollution. Air, water, and soil pollution can affect the growth of plants and other organisms that produce oxygen. However, there is still time to make a change because there are a variety of ways to stop and prevent deoxygenation. Reducing air pollution. To address the problem of air pollution, stricter regulations on the burning of fossil fuels and industrial activities can be implemented. Additionally, promoting the use of renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power can help to reduce air pollution. Protecting natural habitats. To address the problem of habitat destruction, it is important to protect and conserve natural habitats such as forests, wetlands, and grasslands. This can be done through the implementation of laws and policies that protect these habitats, as well as through reforestation and other conservation efforts. Next, plant more trees. It is proposed that one large tree can provide a day's supply of oxygen for up to 4 people. Trees also store carbon dioxide in their fibers, helping to clean the air and reduce the negative effects that this CO2 could have had on our environment. You can also prevent deoxygenation by slowing down climate change. To slow down climate change and its effects on oxygen levels, it is important to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and to implement policies that promote the use of renewable energy sources. Public awareness. Increasing public awareness about the importance of preserving the Earth's oxygen levels can help to promote conservation efforts and encourage individuals and organizations to take action to reduce their impact on the environment. It's important to note that these solutions are not mutually exclusive and that a combination of different approaches will be necessary to effectively address the problem of decreasing oxygen levels. Oxygen is important for the survival of all the living organisms. The energy required for our day-to-day activities is produced when the oxygen present in our blood burns the food consumed by us. Hence, a deficiency in oxygen means the lack of energy, and this would affect the entire functioning of all the organs in our body. Moreover, a number of processes we carry out in the various industries depend on the supply of oxygen. In short, oxygen is an indispensable part of our lives.